What's up, guys? Michael Livingston here. Yeah, I want to make this video, and maybe entertain you guys a little bit. I'm not very good at that stuff, but what this video is about is I'm going to turn a $60 account. It was going to be a $50 account, but it was kind of crazy when I put the Bitcoin in. The price actually went up a pretty substantial amount, so it turned into $60. But like I said, this, like the title says, I'm going to turn a $50 account into $1,000, guys. And once it gets to $1,000, you guys comment below. Should I, try to get this to 10,000? What kind of videos, do you guys want? Should I continue with this, or whatnot? But, I'm just gonna document everything for you guys. So you guys can see. You guys are gonna see the wins. You're gonna see the losses. All that kind of stuff. So what I want you guys to do right now, if you guys are liking this, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow me on this journey as I flip this $60 account to $1,000. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back on when we find a trade. But real quick, ain't she beautiful? No, she's not beautiful yet, y'all. I need to get the black rims right there. I just bought this about 3-4 weeks ago. Got in a crash about a week and a half after buying it. Had to get the whole front end replaced, everything like that. Also got to get the tinted windows. So soon she'll be looking sexy. But right now she's just kind of looking like a 7, right? But we're going back to trading, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in GBP AUD right now. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm getting into this trade. It's going to be the first trade on the account. So we're looking at the 4 hours, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Price is coming back to the trend line right here. Also a major area of support right near the 61.8. So we're going to go ahead and hop in GBP AUD. We see we got a $60 account. We're going to go over to GBP AUD, trade, and we're not doing that. This is not a big account. I'm going to do a 0.05. And then the price can come down a little bit more. We'll get like a 0.02 in and then let that one ride. So I got to wait for this trade to play out, but I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. Peace. It's a little bit late, guys. It's the same day. Looking at the same pair. Our stop loss got hit on the last one. But it looks like price is going to do exactly what we wanted it to anyway. So we're going to hop back in this trade. We only lost about 15 pips on that trade. And for this trade, I'm shooting for first take profit is just over 30 pips. And then the second take profit is actually 80 pips. So if we catch take profit 1 and 2, we're going to catch just over 100 pips. Just called this trade inside of my free Discord chat. So if you guys aren't in that, go ahead and get in it so you guys can start trading with me. But we're going to go ahead and get in here. Boom. We're also going to do a little smaller lot too, like a 0.02. Let's see. 0.02. Come on. There we go. Boom. We're in. So we got one for take profit 1, one for take profit 2. I will update you guys in a second and tell you how it goes. Peace. So we've been waiting for this setup all day. As you can see, price making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Another higher low, bouncing off this trend line. Major support area right here. And if we look on the 5-minute chart where I get my entries, price just crossed over the moving average, retested it, also retested off of this previous resistance. It broke off and then it retested as new support. Also on the moving average and on the 4-hour time frame, price is moving up. So there's over 3 confirmations on why this is going to buy. I can already tell we're going to make a lot of money off this. All right, y'all, it's 2 in the morning. That trade that I just called went straight into profit. Awesome trade. I'm about to close it out for you right in front of you guys. So if you guys remember, this is actually where I called the buy right here, and price just shot all the way up. It's still going up. So we're going to take some profit here, and we're going to leave this 2 center in. So up $22, so the account equity is at $68. So we're up about $8 total. And so that we took one losing trade, a winning trade, and we're 1 for 1 and we're already up money. That's how you got to do trading. You got to have the proper risk management. So boom, close. And I'm actually going to close a little bit of this too because it's at a very high point. We'll close like, is it just a 0.02? Yeah, we'll just keep that riding. And we're going to set the stop loss to break even. Going to set it right here where I got in at 428. Let this thing ride and then look for another trade. So I'll update you guys if we get into another trade. Absolutely killed this trade, guys. I'm going to go back to the 5-minute chart so you guys can see. We got in right here. Price is just going all the way up. Absolutely killed this. So since this is a smaller account, I'm definitely going to take my profit just to keep building it. Whoops. So we got another $9 profit. So we're up $11 off a $60 account. So we're up almost 20% just off this account. So we're gonna keep building this. All right, y'all, I'm going to bed now. Peace. All right, y'all, it's a new day. It's been very, very slow. You know, not every day. That's the thing about trading. You don't want to be just forcing trades. You want to wait for trades to come to you. If you know what you're really doing and you're waiting for at least 3 to 4 confirmations, then this is not hard to do, to be patient. I remember when I first started trading, it was super, super hard to be patient because I honestly didn't know what I was looking for. I was just trying to make money. I was just going, oh, I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to go down. I just bought it. But let's go ahead and get in this trade real quick. It's GBP odd. I'm going to show you guys. So we're on GBP odd right now. We're about to be getting in for a buy. If we go to the higher time frames, like yesterday, you see the market is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And we caught that buy yesterday all the way up to there. We took profit at the right time, perfect time. Now, what I'm seeing, whoops, is price made a nice shoot up. That was our buy yesterday. Did a little bit of a pullback. And then now we're about to get in for the continuation for price to keep going up. All right, so let's do it real quick. We're gonna buy at 0.05, buy, boom, and then we're gonna buy a 0.03. Come on. Think, and hold on, I'm waiting for this to come down to my red line right here. Right, see how price broke that area? Now it's coming back to retest on a smaller time frame, and the 4-hour chart is indicating it's going to go up. 4-hour chart's indicating that's going to go up, right? And then the 5-minute chart made a push up, and then it's pulling back on the smaller time frame, so we're getting an entry again. Okay. Beak. There we go, guys. So as you guys can see, we started the account with what, 60 bucks. It's at 71 right now, and yes, it's a live account. So I'm gonna update you guys here when it's done. Peace. And as you guys can tell, it's the next morning, y'all. So we're about to check this shit together. I haven't looked at my phone yet. We're gonna see how this trade actually played out. All right. Wow, that's amazing. So look, this is where we got in yesterday. Price went up, hit take profit 1, and boom. Price took off. So let's see. It ended up taking profit for us. Come on. $37. I don't know. Oh my gosh. So this was a $60 account. Now it's $109. So basically about 75% return on investment just this week, guys. That is amazing. You know, so next week I'll be on here again. You know, this is probably going to wrap it up for this week. If there's another trade, then I'll definitely, update you guys. I'm going to update you guys on this whole journey. So now we just got to go from 109 to 1,000 and we're good. So we just got to do what we just did. 9 more times, right? Or 10 more times, whatever. I hope you guys find this interesting. You know, comment below what you guys think. If you guys like this, you got to hit that like button so other people can see this and get the same value. And you're going to see more videos like this too if you like it. Please subscribe to this video so that way you see part 2, part 3, part 4, and so on. But, you know, the one thing is I'm not going to rush this process. I'm only going to make these trades when they happen, you know. There's some weeks where I might only trade once or twice, you know. On average, I trade anywhere from 2 to 3 times, you know, like I said, sometimes once. But, you know, there's no reason to, get on these markets and just try to trade every single time. You got to wait for your setups, guys. You got to wait for your setups. And guys, comment below if you guys want any other videos or if you want me to make a video about a certain thing that I'm doing or like how I trade or whatever, or why did I take that trade, you know, just comment below and I'll try to make videos about that too, guys. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.